Wow, you're putting some power in them subs.
Yeah,
Man, you can smell them. They get really warm. I really appreciate the demo. Holy smokes. Whew. You're doing like 60s on music. Wow. Wow, this is very nice. I think I remember you last year you were here.
I think I remember you last year too. Yeah.
I do a lot of YouTube videos, so.
Oh, are you
YouTube JacobViral.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yep.
Nice to see you again.
You too. Wow, this is clean and loud. Wow, you did a good job.
Thank you.
Wow, ground zero.
My wife, yep.
How you doing? What was your name?
Angie.
Angie and
Brad.
Angie and Brad. All right.
Rod.
Rod.
Yeah,
Sorry.
it's all right.
Oh, the door is solid too.
It's pretty heavy.
Whew. So could you show me your name and what's in? Oh, you already told me your name. What's in here?
It's 8 Ground 015 nuclear series. They're 3-inch voice coil in a 6th order, designed by Hunter Martin.
Okay.
A couple of years ago, and sound digital 8K on each one.
Yep. Yeah, I'll go look at the amp rack after.
Yeah.
Very nice. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. 6th order, so do you know your tunings on it?
Supposedly, I don't know. It was actually designed for different subs, and I put these in, but
Okay. Nice. Have you ever metered it?
not like it is right now.
No. Wow. That is really the bandwidth is killer on this too.
Yeah, it is.
Very
You
nice.
did a good job, yeah.
You did a really good job with the design. Did you build it?
I built it, yeah.
You did. Very nice. So what is this wrap, or how does that
vinyl
work?
wrap. It's just
Vinyl
vinyl
wrap.
wrap,
Okay.
yeah.
I've always wondered how they did that. That's pretty
Just
cool.
cosmetic, yeah.
Looks really good. I like the subs too. Not many people run these. This is pretty cool. Looks good. I'm gonna go look at the amp rack too in the back. Thank you very much, man. Push.
You got pushed pretty hard.
Oh, you got a door
It's been
switch.
abused, yeah.
Oh, I'm sure.
Thanks, man.
You're welcome. Very nice. Whew. What's up, man? What's up, man? Be sure to subscribe, everyone, and hit the like button. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we got of his impressive system. He was at the Sundown Audio Show in North Carolina. Really crazy to see him have this amount of power on this much cone area in his excursion. So hit a like if you haven't already, give him a like, and comment what you like about his system. I like everything from the clean install, the cosmetic look, the inverted sub motor structure, unique style as well of how the box design layout is, and the amplifier rack. So if you notice the way the actual back behind the subs is that back port, if you didn't see it when I quickly peeked behind. I like to mention that because there is a bottom chamber making this a 6th order, not a 4th order. Total is 64,000 watts on 8 15-inch subs. These are 8,000 watts each. I didn't find out if he was at half ohm or 1 ohm. I'm pretty sure he's got 1 ohm per sub and a huge powerful lithium bank at the top there, and a lot of tweeters and mid-range that he was playing on all of these 4-channel amplifiers from Audio Legion. I really like the wiring job to keep everything nice and clean and install with a beauty panel and a powerful lithium bank on the top. That's really unique. Never really see anybody put battery banks up there. And this was the specs of the subwoofer. I'm pretty sure they are 4,000 watt RMS each. High X Max on these subwoofers as well. They could be taking more power than that during this demo, not sure, but it's definitely a 160 dB plus music monster he gave a demo of. So welcome to my channel. Hit the subscribe button for daily videos coming your way every day, and enjoy. All right, well, yeah, I'd love to hear it, man.
All right.
Very nice.
Go get the STIDEF. Nevertheless, I'm on the fresh, rolling joints like a cigarette. So as they broke the
in them subs.
Yeah,
Man, you can
it
smell them.
already.
They get really warm. I really appreciate the demo. Holy smokes. Whew. You're doing like 60s on music. Wow. Have you ever metered it?
Not like it is right now.
No. Wow. That is really, the bandwidth is killer on this too.
Yeah, it is.
Very nice.
You did a good job, yeah.
You did a really good job with the design. Did you build it?
I built it, yeah.
You did? Very nice. So what is this wrap, or how does that
vinyl
work?
wrap. It's just
Vinyl
vinyl
wrap,
wrap,
okay.
yeah.
I've always wondered how they did that. That's pretty
Just
cool.
cosmetic, yeah.
Looks really good. Thank you very much for the demo, man. That was awesome, man. I really appreciate it. I like the subs too. Not many people run these. This is pretty cool. Looks good. You're welcome. Very nice.